I got you. So the tool I use is the Mermade 22mm Pro Waver. I also have their blow brush and their OG waver as well. I got the cutest little packet of accessories as well when I got the one, so I'm going to be using some of these as well to get the look. I'm just somebody who needs lots of sections, otherwise I get messed up. I'm a big fan of a heat-proof glove so I don't burn myself. I've had one too many mishaps, and it comes with the tool, so. I like to comb the section that I'm working on before I put it in the tool so that it's like extra smooth, you know what I mean? And then, working in sections about this big, you just put her in there, and then after a few seconds, you just move it down to the next increment. Ooh, it's already happening! Just like that, like literally so fast. And don't worry about any little dents on the top of your sections because at the end I like run a little straightener over it to like make it a smooth finish. And after every big section I'll just give it a spray. And now I'm just gonna do this all over my head in all the sections. So this is what the hair looks like fully waved up, and you can stop here and it's like the perfect mermaid, princess, beachy, summery waves. Or I'm somebody who likes to add little braids to my hair. I feel like it just elevates like a styled look, so I'm gonna do that just in the front sections here. And I hold them in place with these little invisible elastics. And this is the finished look. I love it so much. I think it's so fun and so cute for summer. So here's from the back. I feel like it gives me very like early 2000s pop princess vibes, but let me know what you guys think.